Welcome to all my BD teaching channel. Dear students, today we will discuss about basic geometrical ideas for English medium students of 4, 5, 6, 7 class students. Students, please give your attention on the screen. These figures are points. So, in basic geometrical ideas, first we will learn about what is point. What is point? So give your attention on next. Dear students, give your attention on the screen. First we will learn about point in geometry. What is point in geometry? A point in geometry is a location. It has no size. That means no breadth, no length, no depth. That is the point. A point is shown by a dot. But a line is defined as a line of points that ascends infinitely in two directions. It has one dimension and length. So please give attention on below figure. This is the figure of a line. In this line, 4 points are on it, that is A, B, C, D. So, dear students, we learned about what is point and also what is in line. Then we will go to next. Dear students, please give your attention on the screen. We will learn about line segment and array. What is a line? A line is a simple geometric shape that extends in both the directions, but a line segment has two defined endpoints. Both the figure are also different from a ray. What is ray? A ray has only one endpoint and extended infinitely in one direction. So a line has no definite length, but a line segment has a definite length. And also a ray has no definite length. So give your attention on below figure. First figure is a line, that is a B line. Second figure is a line segment, that is AB. Third figure is a ray, that is a B ray. Dear students, give your attention on these figures. First figure is a straight line or a line. It has no definite length. It has no endpoints. We cannot measure it. Second figure is a line segment. It has two endpoints. It has a definite length. We can measure it. Third figure is also a line segment. It has two endpoints and we can measure it. Fourth figure is a ray. It has only one endpoint. Another direction is unlimited, can move, so it has no definite length. We can't measure it. So students, today we have discussed about basic geometrical ideas, that is point, a line segment and also a ray. So students, you will see this video from starting to ending. Then you can revise these basic geometrical ideas at home, so you can remember it. You will see this video from starting to ending. I hope that you like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel for a next new teaching video of mathematics for English medium students. Thank you.